cardiac lang, matatag.
Nag-premonition ka din ba sa...
Oo. Wala. Ang cardiac na, ano?
Cardiac?
Forever to.
Weh?
Oo. Feeling ko,
Loyalty for me is being contented. Because if you're contented, sabi nga ni Catherine, you won't look for any other person in your life. Tama naman.
Sinabi ni Catherine yun.
Dapat may contentment. Diba? Pag nasira yan sa relasyon, ako,
Yung pagiging kontento.
hindi mo na maibabalik ang dati. Diba?
Hindi ko alam.
Kaya kailangan
I don't wanna say
kontento
na
ka.
hindi mo mabalik yung dati. Kasi, di ba? Hindi ko siya naniniwala sa ano eh, di ba? Nung fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Ako, as long as you deserve it, we all deserve second chances, third chances in this world. If you deserve it. Kasi alam ko naniniwala. Sometimes, di ba? Ito paniniwala ko to ha. Because falling in love, hurting somebody, being hurt by someone, forgiving someone, not forgiving someone, very complicated yan. Very complex yan eh. Sometimes, you have a relationship with someone, 19 siya. The person is still foolish. And he or she will be a different person when he or she turns 30. Nag-iiba ang tao eh. Sometimes, nung bata siya, palikera. Pagpatak niya ng 30, ibang tao na siya. Because he or she learned. So, iba eh, no? No, iba. Faithfulness para sa'yo.
What is loyalty for you? Sige.
Feeling ko ang loyalty and faithfulness. Kasi, technically, they're different. But in application, they're almost the same, no? Naniniwala ko na ang faithfulness and loyalty is not doing anything that will make your partner get mad, kaharap siya o hindi. So, gagawin ko to, hindi dahil nakaharap ka lang, matutuwa ka. Hindi ko gagawin to dahil di ka nakatingin. So, doing something that will make your partner comfortable with or without his or her presence. Feeling ko yun ang loyalty and faithfulness. Diba? Diba? Ganun. Ako lang yun.
Yung sa sarili mo, alam mo na.
Oo. Self-aware ka.
Oo.
Ako lang naman yan. Ayun yung sumama sa definition ko, diwag. Anong pakialam ko?